will talk about how can you log out of your account on your Mimo app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Mimo app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on profile down here. When you just click here on profile, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, so just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to next step here. Then you go down, just keep going down here. When you just go down here, it's going to show for you like this. Then here you will find here log out. You just click on it here. So then it's going to take you out of your account on your Mimo app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.